Greetings. We, the team of Segman, bring to you an automated waste segregating system which segregates the waste into recyclable and non recyclable components. Coming to the problems faced during the disposal of waste. First, there is a confusion among the masses whether the waste that they are dumping is recyclable or not. Secondly, it is observed that manual segregation is time consuming and it is being handled by unskilled laborers. Lastly, company owners often tend to ignore the need of proper segregation as it would cost them a fortune. Coming to the stats, India itself generates 62 million tons of waste, out of which only 20% is recyclable and the rest 80% takes the form of landfills. Now, moving forward to the solution. With the team of Segman, bring to you an automated waste segregating system which segregates the waste into recyclable and non recyclable components using a cloud based and IoT solution. We are going to charge a minimal monthly subscription fee to our customers according to the number of dustbins they have bought. For example, if the customer buys 1 to 10 dustbins, then he has to pay rupees 40. If he buys 11 to 25 dustbins, then he has to pay rupees 32 and so on. As it can be seen that the average waste collection cost is 500 to 3000 rupees depending upon volume of the waste generated. Now with our model, the total monthly cost for any company comes out to be lower than regular waste collection fees. Among all options available in the market, our product, Segman, is retrofitting, which means it can be used over existing dustbins and hence won't require a completely new setup. Along with that, what makes us unique from the other similar options available is that we are not selling a smart extension to the customers and rather charging a minimal subscription fee cost which the customers can opt to discontinue from as and when they choose to. Apart from this, a cost effective business plan, a low monthly maintenance cost, low advertisement cost for companies, and good quality waste recovery are various factors that give us an edge over the rest of our competitors. Our target market includes schools, universities, bus stands, offices, enterprises, all those places which account for a huge amount of population coming into them. In India itself, we have identified a total of $390 million opportunities, which include 75,000 plus potential business locations in Delhi NCR itself, and 500 plus recycling companies have also been identified. Looking at the whooping 63 million tons of garbage generated every year, we realize that the need for an effective way of waste disposal and segregation is substantial. For converting our idea into a venture, we will be collaborating with waste vendors who would collect the segregated waste from us and sell off the recyclable waste, hand over the organic matter to the farmers to make manure out of it, and dump off the rest waste into the landfills. And we'll have tie ups with companies like Extra Carbon and Radiwala to whom the waste vendor would sell the recyclable waste. For the purpose of investments, we are looking forward for government funding as a product is intended towards promoting Swachh Bharat Abhiyan proposed by the Prime Minister.
Beginning with the smaller market, the company will be accepting direct orders via email order selling. The targeted customers will be receiving our company proposal and their order information. Upon receiving their order, payment and confirmation emails will be sent subsequently to inform the customer that the order will be proceeded and delivered as requested. As our company grows, an online store will be created. Now, apart from this, we also plan on resorting to telephonic solicitations and advertisements. Next, coming to our external dependencies. In the initial phase of our product launch, we would be dependent on certain external factors for effective functioning of our product. These would include, first, internet connectivity. Our automated dustbin extension requires to be connected to internet to search through the database for identifying the type of waste being dumped into the bin. Second, Amazon Services Database. Our project needs the camera module to click an image of the waste which is dumped inside the bin and compare it with vast database of such images to correctly identify the waste type and dump it into the correct dustbin. Our third dependency is electricity. Since our technical model is automated and connected to the Wi-Fi module as well, we need a regular supply of electricity for the efficient work of all electrical components. Over the years, we will be making continuous additions to our database to refine the system further in such a way that it identifies most or each item disposed of in the bin. In the future, we are planning to eliminate our dependency on external factors as much as possible and shift to a completely independent model. As an example, currently, Segman is dependent on electricity. Hence, we are trying to avoid the situation created by electricity loss in the area by transferring the entire waste disposed of to the non-recyclable side of the bin and looking forward to working with batteries in future. Along with this, we are currently developing our own machine learning model which can be trained specifically to the area's requirement. This self-developed model of Segman would give us freedom to modify it accordingly to our needs as and when required. Tie-ups with companies like Swatchcoin to introduce a reward-based system for waste contributors would encourage more community engagement, going hand in hand with increased awareness. Partnering with various communication platforms that foster social action and creates hope among communities to allow a fairly cost-efficient way to convey key messages to our potential customers related to sorting at source. This will be the future pricing of our product, as we would try to minimize its cost and rather focus on capturing as much market as possible. Moreover, we would not sell the dustbins. Instead, we would charge a minimal security deposit. Our estimated future pricing would be 2300 rupees. As you can see, a set of 2 dustbins costs rupees 800, and with electronics and the fabrication cost, the total cost would turn out to be 2300. This was a business plan. Thank you.